Big winners today. We had ANF, earnings season coming up, pre-guided. Abercrombie Fitch increased the quarter's net sales outlook to 7 to 8%. Plan was to short under MTF, long over MTF, and we will also watch the 512s. 147, 150, whatever key levels. But as soon as I saw that it couldn't push over any of the MTF clouds, breaking the pre-market lows, that becomes high confidence short, and then it flushed. And I did mention heavy, still hold the short on the trend move. 130 and 132 were my two targets. We met our 130 target. Even after that, I told hold a little bit runners, and then ANF curled. I told everybody to exit the shorts right at when it was curling, and you could long that as well, putting your stops right under here. Beautiful 300% on the put, beautiful trade. The next one I highlighted was 5. 5 was a short, 34.50 break, MTF break, 1 hour MTF break, another MTF break. Plan on 5 was bullish bias versus MTF, but it never held the MTF. Right away it break down, so there was no long in 5. That was it. It was a short. So I told everybody at 950, still holding the fades, but should be covering because it's faded. Since it broke 104, it faded all the way to 96. So that was $8 share short on 5. Really profitable trade. All you had to do is just follow the cloud. And then 5 gave a 512 curls. This was the 512 curls, and you could scalp it, cover your short here. A lot of opportunities all day on 5. That's why I love the earnings season. So another one that was a short was Shake Shack. Only long over clouds. 128, 131 were two levels. Only long over the clouds. But as soon as it break clouds, I told everybody it's an MTF short. And it bounced a little bit, rejected the clouds. You hit it again. You hit closer to the clouds. That's what you do. As soon as it gets closer to the clouds, you re-hit the short. And right away from that 512 rejection, even from that rejection, it faded all the way back to 118s. And then it gave a curl. That's where you exit. We had 3 trades, all highlighted red, and all kind of worked out pretty nicely there today. That's why earnings seasons are so profitable, that you can have repeatable setups working for you all day long with the Ripster clouds. All right, let's talk about our day 2, day 3 setups. One of my favorite strategy. Really works out nicely for us. Yesterday was a beautiful short on the ANF. Today it was a day 2 short. When something moves big a previous day, next day it will make a move on the either side. It was a number 1 day 2 plays, 137, 139, and I said these 4 are our top plays for the day 2. You simply follow the cloud rules, short it, and then I said the stops are over 512. 512 fails again, and then it gives you another short here on the 512. You short it and fade it all the way down, puts 100% as well. Nice profitable trades. Have to be ready for this day 2, day 3 setups in earnings season. You have to use the cloud system to learn this day 2, day 3 setup, and they can be long too. We have so many big long winners on AVGO. Was a day 2 long, paid us nicely. I did mention the short right at the open, day 2 short, and then it faded from the 121 all the way down to the 117s. Beautiful short. Simplest, stress-free setups, guys. All you have to do is take a position, not hesitate, and ride it down. So then it gave a call as well. You cover your short, you get long and make some profits. Same thing yesterday. The next one was 5. 5 broke those levels all the way down, and 5 also had MTF clouds. Beautiful MTF clouds. Rejections, fade all day. Such a beautiful setup, guys. If you're in the community, make sure you watch the day 2, day 3 webinar in detail. You will learn a lot.
Learn how to trade day 2, day 3 setups at tenanttradegroup.com.